Okay.
Wow!
Interesting. Now, onto the face. Trim the eyebrows slightly. Apply the face mask. Eye masks and lip masks are a must. Both of you need them. Wait just a bit longer.
Okay.
Finish with a facial massage. Rumi, close your eyes for a moment. Look what I've got. A blind bag makeup kit. So, do you all know what we're doing next? Alright, first let's do Rumi's makeup. Rumi's getting a very special color.
Wow!
Okay, Rumi, you can open your eyes now.
Okay.
Curl the lash nice and long. Now, let's add a touch of blush. Jinu wants some blush too. Finally, a soft layer of lipstick, and we're done. Let's take a look at Rumi and Jinu after the transformation. Add a veil for Rumi. Oh, what is Jinu about to do?
Wow!
It looks like a proposal is coming. Good luck, Jinu.
Thank you.
And that's a beautiful ending for Jinu and Rumi.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you everyone for supporting me. See you next time.